Today in this video, we're going to be talking about GetResponse for affiliate marketing, and is it really the right tool? Now, I'm going to be sharing what makes it actually affiliate friendly. So if you're promoting affiliate products, why GetResponse may be the best choice for you. The automation and funnels overview when it comes to GetResponse specifically for affiliate marketing, because a lot of people want to know, can it actually work for that? And then also a feature that surprises most people, okay? And you're gonna see that in just a second. So why should you listen to me on this specific topic? Again, 10 plus years affiliate marketing full time. I've made multiple six figures from email specifically, okay? So I've actually talked the talk and walked the walk. Tested 15 plus email tools, okay? And compared it to GetResponse. And then I've used GetResponse in real funnels. So I've actually seen it, what it can actually do. So here's a quick heads up though. I will include a link in the description to GetResponse if at any point in this video you do see an opportunity for yourself and you want to actually follow along with me. There's no pressure to sign up. Whether or not you decide to get started today, it's up to you. So core features affiliate marketers actually care about. How does it stack up, right? So first off, GetResponse really has unlimited email sends. So some of these other softwares out there, when you go to do email marketing and promote affiliate offers, they're limited, okay? You have a certain number of sends when it comes to emails, and once you're capped, okay? So this is really, really powerful. Automation workflows, okay? So again, if you're someone that likes the idea of freedom, you like the idea of maybe working, 30 minutes, closing your laptop, putting away your phone, and doing whatever the heck you want to do, then this is really cool because it's automated. Segment and tag leads, okay? So GetResponse allows you to do that. So you know, are you marketing to a lead or a buyer? And you want to speak differently. And then AI-powered email generator. So if you want powerful, compelling, copy inside of your emails, you don't know what to write, you can use that feature. Now here's some more features worth knowing about when it comes to GetResponse specifically to make your decision on if you want to use this. It's really cool because it has landing pages and funnels. So you're not just getting email marketing ability, you're getting the ability to set up a funnel. It has a drag and drop builder. Okay, so this is really cool because if you're someone that's not technical and you want kind of a done for you process, then that's really cool. A/B testing. Okay, so this allows you to literally test two different subject lines and see what's actually working. This is very important, and a lot of the other so-called competition didn't really do that. And 150 plus integrations. So if you're coming from somewhere else, before you click the link below, if let's say you've used another tool, you can integrate very easily. Now, what GetResponse lets you build, this is really, really powerful. Now, again, comparing it to other tools, this one has lead funnels. Okay, so again, you're able to actually capture and funnel leads, which is how you're going to be making sales. They give you welcome sequences, right? Or you could actually create your own if you want. I shared that in a recent video, my 3 email sequence that you send when you actually welcome someone to your list. So you could go ahead and use that. Multi-offer lists, okay? So you can actually segment and have different offers per list, and then e-commerce automations. Now here's the real affiliate workflow. This is a very simple, time-tested affiliate marketing workflow that you can start with. So for example, you could, just using GetResponse, for example, you could set up your form, okay, your opt-in form to start collecting those emails. You have a thank you page that it's going to show when they opt in, and then you have an email sequence that you've automated with follow-ups, usually on that, first off in that welcome sequence, to welcome people, build rapport, even while you're sleeping, because it's still running. Now, here's why affiliate marketers tend to really, really like GetResponse and decide to go with it. It has very affiliate friendly policies. Okay, so some of these softwares out there, and I've had the same thing happen to me. If you've had this happen, your account can just get shut down, right? Because you're promoting something that a lot of those softwares don't like, especially if you're in like a make money online type of niche. But this doesn't seem to have that issue, and I've tested it for many years. Affiliate friendly policies, strong deliverability. Okay, so it really ends up in that primary folder a lot of the time. SPF DKIM sender options. This is really important, so it's sent from an professional looking email, and then it's safe for promo emails. Now, who is GetResponse a best fit for? Okay, if you're trying to make that decision, maybe you have your credit card in hand and you're really shopping around for a good tool. If you're a beginner, GetResponse is fantastic for you. Okay, if you're someone that is not very technical, you don't have a lot of experience marketing, maybe you haven't made a lot of sales, you're new, okay, it's perfect. Also, affiliate marketers. So maybe you're experienced, but you promote affiliate offers and you want a pretty safe software that you can send and promote those things. GetResponse is really great. People promoting multiple offers. Okay, again, sometimes other softwares, you have headaches trying to promote different things. This allows you to. And then anyone needing funnels and an email software. So really, really cool. Now, who's it not best for? Enterprise CRM users, so people that are very, very technical, very advanced, people that have like just crazy automation needs. Okay, you need like all the bells and whistles. And then lowest budget users. Okay, so people that just, they are just freebie seekers, they never actually want a proven software, then this is probably not for you. So here's my recommendation for you, my friend. I would say go with GetResponse. Okay, it's super beginner friendly. They have strong automation and funnels. You can go ahead and use the link in the description. When you do so, I recommend trying the marketer plan. Okay, that's the one that's going to give you the best workflows, the most things, but it's not crazy expensive either. So you get the most bang for your buck. Okay, so to see it in action, I actually have a new video coming up soon. Okay, I'm going to share a full funnel walkthrough with you. Okay, so final thoughts. I think it has strong affiliate features compared to all the other tools that I did massive research and massive trial and error using. Reliable deliverability, so it's going to end up in that folder, that primary folder, which is your goal. Easy automations, and also be sure, my friend, to comment what plan you actually chose. Like I said, the marketer plan is the one that I would personally go with starting off, but I'm curious which one you actually chose. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. I hope you got a lot of value. Like this video if you did get value, so I know to make more. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.